We have a couple of transitive verbs here. Did it, didn't. Did it means he, she, or it gave, and didn't means they gave. And we need these transitive verbs in order to make some sentences with transitive verbs, right? With direct objects and indirect objects. So let's see what our first sentence is going to be. I'm using exercise 19. I just grabbed number 11, the last one, in exercise 19. And it says, amico gladium dedit. All right, so I've got my dedit, last part of the sentence. Amico is probably a subject. Let's check it out. So I've got amicus, amici. I'm going to flip it over. Subjects is in the nominative. So it should be amicus or amici, but it's not. So that might not be a subject. Let's see. Gladium. I'm going to grab my gladius, gladii card. Where's gladium? Gladium's right here. Accusative. That's my direct object. My direct object, all right, is gladium. Let me mark that. So we know now this is our verb transitive, right? This is our direct object. What is this amico? Let's see. They've got, how many amicos do we have? We just have one here, to the, or for the, and amico is ablative, by, with, or from. Now, I'm going to guess that since we're learning about indirect objects, I'm guessing we're going to be doing this one. Let's see. Now, dedit means if we don't have a subject, it could be inside of here. It would mean he gave, right? So let's do that. Let me mark this out. Ooh, I need two people. Okay, so our subject is probably, it's not stated, but it will probably be he. Our verb is gave. He gave. What is our direct object? We saw that by this ending, it's gladium. It's a sword, right? A sword. Well, let's see. Is it gladium singular, a sword, or many swords? Gladios? Nope, it's gladium, singular. So it's a sword. He gave a sword to someone. To, and what's left? Singular, dative, to the friend. To the friend, or his friend maybe, since we said he. Now, we can easily read this because we're so familiar with this diagram, we can read it just like in English. He gave a sword to his friend. Very easy. But we were kind of tricked because this normally sometimes has a subject at the beginning of the sentence. But the subject was hiding right inside here in our verb. It was this understood he. So you always have to check your endings and see what they could be. This could not be the subject because it was not in the nominative place. So we knew that was not the subject. They were tricking us. But we didn't get tricked because we know how to diagram. And we have our cards and they can tell us our answers. Let's do another one. Maybe this time from English to Latin.